But essentially what we found is that all of the bone mets, and it's actually more of the bone mets that we think are truly bone mets, were imaged. It wasn't 100%, and that was because of probably some questions, and we don't know. We also biopsied the majority of the patients, if we could, 2 separate lesions in different organs, bone and soft tissue. Essentially, the ones that were positive by J591 zirconium turned out, as a general rule, turned out to be prostate cancer, and we found a number of sites that were negative on CT, bone scan, and standard FDG PET imaging that were positive only on zirconium-89 that were biopsied and were in fact prostate cancer.